Good morning, my dear viewers. Here you can see these footpaths, these pavements everywhere in Sharjah are being rectified. The construction material is poured in so that they can rectify them again post the flood. You can see it everywhere. It is happening from that side, from the other side also. There are the construction material. Here we go. Everywhere they are correcting these pavement areas, footpaths. It's the hour of the need because all of them had got severely damaged, and I think that they are plugging in the drainage system also in the most possible way they can. There we go. It was necessarily to be uprooted and the new stuff was to be installed in it because destruction and damage had got severe this time in the floods.